Welcome art enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to share how I made these moon-shaped glass earrings. I used the Taurus 3 ring saw, safety glasses, Van Gogh gold glass, moon-shaped vinyl sticker, and I also used finger protectors. In this case I used hot glue finger protectors I got from the Dollar Tree. This was my first time ever using my ring saw, so the cut is not perfect, but I wanted to go ahead and use real time to show how long it really does take to cut the glass with the ring saw. Now I use my inland grinder to smooth out the edges to make these safe to wear as jewelry. I use a permanent marker to mark the area where I'm going to be drilling a hole in. I'm drilling a hole to use a pinch bezel to make these into earrings. I use a basic drill set which includes diamond drill bits. I primarily use the flat tip diamond bit to drill a hole into the glass. The key to drilling a hole in glass, I found, is to start drilling sideways while submerged in water on a sponge, then gradually transition to a straight up and down motion. After adding the pinch bezel, I attach an earring hook onto it to make earrings. I recently discovered that Amazon offers pre-made earring hooks that come with an open pinch bezel clamp already attached. I'll include all items used in this project in the description box below, along with that link as well, in case you're interested. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey of making glass jewelry. I hope it sparks some inspiration for your own projects. Until next time, stay blissful.